Go.
Hello gamers, welcome back to Anthony's Reviews. Before I get right back into business with the review, I'm gonna have to ask you to smash that like button, share to all your friends, and follow my my social medias. My Snapchat is 69gamer lol lamau. So this is the review of the Hungry Jack microwavable syrup on store brand frozen pancakes. But obviously they're not frozen right now. Let's see how this is. Oh wow, that is a very good texture. It's very liquidy because it's hot. Microwaved. Okay, all right, let's see how it is. I'm gonna be using my hands because you know what kind of loser doesn't use your hands for flapjacks? Okay, very liquidy. Wow. Tastes like a pancake with syrup on it, but the syrup is more like water, you know? It's like thick water.
What does that mean?
Like it has some droopiness to it, you know, like, ooh, you know? Want one?
No. I already ate mine.
Jessica did a review on non-microwaved syrup. If you guys wanna watch that, there's a link down below to her YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is called Jessica Lowell's Lolly K Psyche. Awesome.
That's so mean.
So,
Why'd you have to say that, man? You're exposing me.
so far so good. As you can see, not at all hard to eat. It's not that hot. It's not burning hot. I wish I put it in for longer. How are you guys? Oh, that's pretty bad. What did you say? Okay, but did you just take that, or did you say something back? Why did you say that? That's too mean. People have feelings too. No, I know you're people too, but you don't really count in this story. Me? Well, I'm eating some pancake. You're pretty good. Alright guys, going so far so good.
We're just gonna record you eating pancakes for like another 2 minutes.
No. It's pretty good. You know, all these pancakes and syrup, it's made me realize that you guys are gonna have to pay $2 on my Patreon to get the full access to me reviewing these pancakes. So go ahead, head over to my Patreon. My Patreon is lolsxgamer69, lolly at K sucks. And I just want to let you guys know also to follow my Instagram. It's called Hungry Jack Sucks. That's not the review, that's just my Instagram. But yep, go on Patreon, get full access to my pancake review. Head on over. You suck.